wanted to talk a little bit about what to expect when you install your sign. How does my sign get up on the wall, and what happens to my building when I'm putting a sign up on my wall? So we'll start by talking about channel letters. So I'm going to talk about individually mounted channel letters. So just for a little refresher, your channel letter is your sign built with a letter can, your LED on the inside of the letter projecting out through your face to give you your illuminated look. On the back side of that letter, and what will be going into your walls, is going to be a couple of press fit studs. So these are just threaded rod threaded into the back of the letter. When installation happens, each one of these spots gets drilled out into your wall. These get covered with silicone to protect the wall from water intrusion. The studs themselves get covered with silicone, and then they get pressed into the building where they'll sit. One other thing that you need to note though is that when you have an individually mounted channel letter, each of these LEDs needs to get power somehow. So along with your mounting points, each individual letter has a power unit that'll need to be run inside your building into an accessible area where it can be tied together for wiring. So, in closing, when you install individual channel letters on your building, you need to be aware that you're probably going to have, even at a letter of this size, at minimum about 3 to 4 holes that are going to go inside the building, and one that is going to need to go all the way through the wall into your building, into an accessible area to be wired so that your sign can illuminate.